Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we will learn about computer ports, the connection points that allow different devices to communicate with your computer. Let's get started. What is a computer port? A computer port is a physical connection point found on the outside of your computer. It allows devices to be plugged in for data transfer, power supply, internet access, and audio or video output. Ports help your computer communicate with the outside world. USB port, Universal Serial Bus. The USB port is the most common type. You use it to connect devices like a keyboard, mouse, pen drive, or printer. There are different versions. USB 2.0 is slower, USB 3.0 is faster, and USB Type C is used in new laptops and phones. HDMI port, High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDMI ports carry both high quality video and audio through a single cable. They are used to connect your PC or laptop to a monitor, TV, or projector. HDMI has mostly replaced the older VGA port for better resolution and clarity. VGA port. VGA is an older video port used to connect monitors and projectors. It transmits only video, not audio. These ports are mostly found on older computers and are being slowly replaced by HDMI and DisplayPort. Ethernet port. The Ethernet port, also called a LAN or RJ45 port, is used to connect your computer to the internet using a cable. It offers faster and more stable internet compared to Wi-Fi. You will find it in desktops, router, and modems. Audio ports. Most computers have audio ports in different colors. Green is for speakers or headphones. Pink is for microphones. Blue is for audio lining. These are standard 3.5 mm jacks used in both desktop and laptops. PS2 port. The PS2 port is a round connector used in older computers to connect keyboard and mic. It's color coded. Purple for keyboard and green for mouse. Today, this has mostly been replaced by USB ports. DisplayPort. DisplayPort is a modern video port like HDMI, but supports higher resolution and refresh rates. It also transmits both video and audio. It's commonly used in gaming PCs, professional monitors, and high-performance workstations. Thanks for watching. Now you know the most common types of computer ports, what they do and where they are used. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment on Digital Dynamo Lab. See you in the next video.